Jeff came over today and helped weld up these holes, put the patch panels in that Arlo cut out. Started welding this bottom section first. Our plan was to weld this part in, and then I'm going to spray the rust converter through the other hole there just to get some paint on the back side of that patch panel that he's welding in right now. This weld here caused a little fire. The foam that's inside there caught on fire. So we had to put that out real quick. I got the air compressor set up so I can blow a little air on it while he's welding. So keep it from lighting on fire again, hopefully. Foamy.
Yeah, big gap.
What's up?
Big gap.
Yeah, that's why I was kind of worried. Got that fully welded up. Jeff's using the flap disc on this first. And just to kind of buzz down a little bit of it. And then he'll switch to the actual grinding disc. Kind of a little bit more fine detail grinding. And then I ended up also sanding it with the angle grinder, the roll-lock wheel, and I have a belt sander I use as well. Helps smooth it all out. Got that lower section welded in. I'm gonna squirt some rust stuff in there now, hopefully. Try to get in that little hole. And then we're gonna weld up the top one. I got different nozzle on here and I sprayed down inside there. Worked well. Now we're gonna work on welding the top one. I'm gonna finish grinding that. We're gonna make a piece of metal to fit that, or shave the antenna. That's the plan. See how well we can shape that piece. Just trimming it out now. All right, Jeff got the piece cut out. Tape, stick it on there. Then we'll cut that shape out. Try it, see how it looks. Ooh, perfect. Look at that. We need to bend it at all or shape it, or it looks pretty good. I think that'd be good, huh? Perfect. First try. Our homemade workbench grinder worked out. All right, we're gonna fit the plug, I guess we made. Let's put it on a magnet here. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. Oh, that fits good. Look at that thing.
Pull it back first.
Watch your fingers. Good? Beautiful. Yeah, your fingers were like right there. Yeah, I'm sure. It's hot. There's a glove right there. Hot? Good? Easy. Smells like burnt primer. One more. Couple more. Sweet. Good. Cool. We'll grind that down. Next, we're going to tackle the squirter hole. That one is shaped a little different. I don't know if we'll be able to make that piece, but we're going to give it a try. We got the piece we cut out in there. Jeff's going to tack it in. There's a magnet underneath there holding it on, so hopefully that'll be enough to keep it in place. There goes the magnet. Perfect. You can see light here. Right. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. I ground it down here with a flap disc. And then I went around everything, more fine detail. The little belt sander here. I had to tack up a couple more holes on this side. And then I finished sanding them off with the belt sander. I'm glad I bought that thing. It's like 35 bucks on Amazon. It's totally worth the money. It's able to get in there a lot more fine detail than like the big grinder. Okay, we got it all welded. It's pretty good. Do a little body work on it. Some body filler. That one welded up. And the antenna hole is welded up. Now I'll finish the body work here, do some body work on that, and then probably start sanding the paint off the other quarter panel here. But I think I'll finish the body work on this side. That way it's done. That'll be another day though. I'm gonna squirt some of the rust converter paint up in this hole here. Let's try to get as much the back side of this panel we put on, that little filler plate. Try to get some paint on it as much as I can anyways. It squirted paint up in there. Let's see if you guys can see it or not. Flashlight up there, but kinda. There we go. Kinda. Sorry, it's not very clear, but I did get it covered. It's all black up in there, so at least there's some paint covering it. I put it on so much it's pouring out. I just wanted to try to get something on the back side of that. On both sides. I think it turned out pretty dang good. Definitely have a little body work to do, like I said, but it's no big deal. I'll do a tiny bit of body filler there and on the antenna hole. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. It's your first time watching one of my videos. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want. I would appreciate it. Thanks.